Hey everyone! Today I'm checking out the Asus TUF VG249QM5A, a 24-inch Full HD gaming monitor that pushes up to 240Hz. Right out of the box, it feels solid, very typical TUF build quality, nothing flashy, but definitely sturdy. The 240Hz refresh rate paired with a fast IPS panel is where this monitor really shines. In fast-paced games like Valorant and Apex Legends, motion feels incredibly smooth. Input lag is super low, and I barely noticed any ghosting, even during quick flicks and tracking. Colors are decent for a gaming-focused monitor, not professional grade, but more than good enough for everyday use and casual content creation. The only downside? At 24 inches and 1080p, it's not the sharpest for productivity, and HDR is pretty basic. Overall, if you're a competitive gamer on a budget, this is a seriously strong pick. Would I recommend it? Absolutely for esports players, especially if you value speed over resolution and want a reliable daily gaming monitor under budget. Let me know your thoughts down below.